Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at some basic shapes again, and this one, the Oblong. And yeah, this will be for the CAD feature. But otherwise, before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head into the program here. Now, like I mentioned, today we're going to be looking at the third shape, the Oblong here. And it can almost be viewed also as a bit of an oval. So now this shape gets slightly more tricky compared to the first two we looked at. Now we'll quickly demonstrate why. So we're going to go through the same things. We're going to open it and we see we've got now a width and a height, where the circle only had a dimension, and then we also have the angle, so we can set the angle. Now I will show you now where it gets tricky. So I'm just going to go put in here, let's say width 200, height 100, leave the angle same. Okay, then position, I'm going to just leave it here on the canvas. So there we go, we've got a nice 200 by 100 oval shape, and then but it's laying on the horizontal. Now let's say we do the same thing, this time we invert it. So now we're going to go 100 width, 200 height, say positioning, and then I'm going to go maybe about, let's go 300 to the side, and then say okay, and then you can see we get this weird shape now. So as soon as we make the actual height of this bigger than the width, we get some wacky results here. Now if I had to make them the same, let's say we go 200, or let's make it 100 by 100, say okay, positioning, then I say let's go about 250 for now. It's okay, you can see over there we get a perfect circle. So that is one way you can create a circle with it as well, but as soon as we go past that, we start, like I said, getting a weird result because of these curvatures and that. So now if we wanted to have this one, this first shape, but tall instead of wide like this, then what we're gonna have to do is we go there, we set it as if it is wide. So we're gonna go 200 by 100. Then instead I'm gonna go the angle and put it at a 90 degrees angle. Say okay, single positioning, and then I'm gonna go, let's go about 210. Say okay, and there we go. Now we've got this shape in a vertical layout. So that's pretty much done by the angle. So otherwise, it's just a quick recap on this again. So if you want to set the shape, make sure the width is larger than the height, and you can use your A for the angle for rotating your shape to get it in the right position. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the Oblong. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.